So Essential Energy are very interested in developing battery assets onto our network. We've certainly started that trial project at Sovereign Hills as our first foray into how we design and construct and operate batteries. But batteries of all sizes are really important across our distribution networks, right from our low voltage networks all the way up into our zone substations and sub-transmission networks. At the smallest end of that, we're looking at low voltage pole mounted batteries. So batteries that kind of have around the 30 to 40 kilowatts and around 80 kilowatt hours of storage. We're looking at utilising them in urban residential areas, both for network batteries and also for community batteries. And then we go up in scale from there. So we're looking at deploying low voltage ground mount batteries. They'll be in the range of 200 kilowatts and 500 kilowatt hours. Then we have our Sovereign Hills battery. That's 1,000 kilowatts and 2,000 kilowatt hours. We're also looking at batteries in zone substations as well that could be as big as 3 or 4 megawatts. And we'll use them for a different use case to support reliability benefits in some more remote areas. So batteries provide a really dynamic asset that supports what we're seeing happening on our grid. So as customers are installing more solar, that means that generation becomes more dynamic. And having assets like batteries that can enable customers' solar to be more efficient and to use their energy locally and store it locally means that we reduce the impacts of distribution losses across our network. And our network becomes more efficient if we're able to store generation close to the point of use. And it means that we reduce the requirement to be upgrading our poles and wires network and increasing the size of transformers just to manage a peak demand issue that might only be there for a few hours a day. So batteries can provide different benefits to different people, and one of the ways that we're looking at deploying our batteries is that we want to use them on parts of the network where it will help us reduce our operating costs and provide a least cost solution for upgrading our network. Now, if we can do that, that means that we're being more efficient in our decision making, and those costs flow onto our customers. We can also use the batteries to help customers' solar become more efficient and improve their power quality. And if we can do that, that also means that customers can export more energy into the grid with their solar systems, and they can then receive those direct financial benefits through their feed-in tariffs. So the way we're engaging with our customers around battery projects is starting to really ramp up now, especially with the pole top battery program and the community battery program. I think there's a strong desire from customers and larger groups within our footprint that want to be part of the transition. So we're starting to see communities and individuals contact us to want to understand more about the products and understand how they can be involved. We're about to start engaging with local councils and community events, and this will be in the form of face-to-face meetings with our communities. It's really important at Essential Energy when we look at deploying energy assets that we do that in a safe way. But over time, we'll be really keen to work with customers to understand their concerns and what they might want to see Essential Energy implement around mitigation measures. In the past, it's been very limited, the involvement that customers play in their energy system. As Essential Energy looks to progress our network into the future with a lot of battery storage, it's a really unique opportunity for our customers to actually partake in how their energy is supplied, around how do we engage with Essential Energy to develop a lower cost of their energy supply, and how customers can be part of that journey ongoing with Essential Energy, and how we do this for all customers across our network.